Hey guys, Conor Sheffield from Las Vegas, Nevada, out here at Holley LS Fest. Brought my 39 Chevy rat rod. We chopped the top off and took about 4 inches off of it. Got some frame rails, 2x4 steel, built it from the ground up, put the cab on it, and the project started from there. We got the engine. It's a 5.3 out at the junkyard. Took it back, me and my dad peeled it apart. We found some 6-liter heads just to lower the compression a little bit. New pistons, kept the bottom end because the bottom end is just bulletproof. The blower was a buddy's, and it came off of a race car. Bought it for a couple $100. That's what this whole thing is about, is keeping it price, or budget. We had a plate water jet to adapt the 671 blower to the Holley Hi-Ram, and then we threw a couple 4-barrel throttle bodies on top, and we're running everything with the Terminator X Max. With the Terminator X, it made it super simple. I punched in what I had. I had a power adder, and it started right up. I didn't skip a beat. The headers came from, it was a small block Chevy kit, and we cut and fabbed, to make it LS. Even though it's got a 671 on it, being out here in Vegas, you need AC. AC is a must. It's over 100 degrees. Holley's accessory drive allowed me to put the AC compressor on there, and it brought everything, the alternator, power steering, everything compact, and it doesn't look, too bulky. And I've got running AC all summer long. Keep the rat rod look, we put some aircraft looking seats and had some seat pads made, wrapped them in Crown Royal bag, and they may look uncomfortable, but they are very comfortable. I can cruise to New York if I wanted to. It's super comfortable. The fuel tank came out of a boat, and the chain we just had laying around in the garage, and we put 2 and 2 together and decided to hold down the fuel tank with that. And the ammo box, it's actually a toolbox just for whatever tools, if anything were to happen on the road. And we have we used a CNC plasma to cut some brackets and made to hold my nitrous tanks. Unfortunately, they're not nitrous. It's just air tanks for the air suspension. In the bed, we can strap in it. We can strap coolers, seat, chairs, anything, just for car shows or whatever. We did have some the air solenoids to control the airbags, and it was a pain. So I decided to do it all by mechanical rather than using electronics to control it. There's just 4 valves. You got 2 to dump and 2 to fill, and it just makes it super easy. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch. It came out of the junkyard actually. Bought a kit to put 4-link in it. The rear shocks actually came out of a Volkswagen Bug, just to make the ride a little bit. We don't have to put 80 pounds of pressure into the airbag, so that it just makes it a smoother ride. Really happy with the way it turned out. I don't think I'd change very much at it. Runs and drives, I get 25 miles to the gallon on the way down here, even with a 671 blower. I've never had it on the dyno. It's plenty enough to put a smile on my face and to burn some rubber.